None of us will sleep for here today.
How?
Or you come down.
Eh?
Yes! 1 + 1 is 2 snorkel. Alatulu noko. Ula de balo. Ula lutelo.
1 + 1 is 2 snorkel.
Babe.
Yes, we know. Just go to the room. Tomorrow we can talk about whatever I want to talk about.
Never. Never. You want to teach my man? Never. Never.
Can you imagine?
You take my glory to shine. You don't use my glory to shine. Can't sleep now. No sleeping tonight. Yes. You come down.
Eh?
I want to cuddle you. The gods are honey. Yes. The gods are honey. We need head.
Eh?
Give us head.
Babe.
Oh, babe. Huh? Okay, once you TV say you hala, wahala day. Wahala day. You kitchen. You kitchen. I will strike you now. Snoko noko. Ala tulu noko. Ula lutelo.
You came to this shop late today. I asked you to go and get me food. You stayed 2 hours.
I'm so sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Look, oh, you tied your waist for who? Those dirty boys now. Eh? What do you want to show? This your nyash. This flat yash that look like good morning, sir. Is that what you want to expose to them? Answer me.
No, man, no.
I sent you somewhere, so you now went up to go and hang your leg. Hold up. And I can see the hold up. In a man's bed now. Hold up in a man. Come on, raise your hand. Raise that hand.
Please, man, please.
Stop. Don't allow me to touch you. Raise your hand. Which play the music that you are dancing? What's she dancing to now? Hey, this no music play. Man, what are you dancing? Sorry. What's wrong with you? Sorry. You want to burn my ear? Sorry, just sit. I will attend to you. Just sit, I will attend to you. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Just sit down, eh? Come and sit. Sorry. Sit down, sorry. Just sit there. Can you dash it to Mario? Come and sit. Come on, come. What is this for you? You want to take my customers? Hey! Man, let me get a text to you. What is this now? Are you going crazy? Oh yeah. Oh. Man, let me go. Go! Hey! Go! What's your problem now? Hey, in this house. Bro, how to get inside? Be fast!
Babe.
You're back. Any luck?
No luck. I'm tired. I'm tired of moving from one office to another like a beggar. Huh? I'm sick and tired of all this. I can't get a decent job in this country. How? Why? Huh?
Babe, you need to calm down. Don't worry. Soon you'll get a good job. Just believe in God and have faith.
Soon. When? When will I get that job? Is it until I've grown old with gray hairs everywhere? I mean, my friends back in school days are doing very well. I've seen a couple of them. Huh? Doing very well, driving big cars. And me, with my good result, cannot get a decent job in this country. Huh? What is the need I went to school now? Because these are the same guys I do their assignments for. The same guys I tutor in school. Dull heads. People that copy me during exams.
It's okay. At least you're still alive. And that's the more reason you have to keep pushing.
What is the need of staying alive? Who knows when I'll fall down and die?
No,
Eh?
God forbid.
No, nobody knows tomorrow. What do you mean, God forbid? No, what do you mean, God forbid?
Babe, you're scaring me. Why don't you just calm down and don't give up? Huh? Please. You snooze, you lose. You don't have to give up. Please. It's okay. Don't worry, I'll prepare something really nice for you to eat. Please. Please.
Does this thing well. You know, say, as madam no day. Now me not be madam, as you know. Wasn't as all of us wear the same color. When me I nearly come, when we see me at the land walk, who be me to look my senior girl for eye? To look senior girl for eye? But you don't big now. Bend your... Well.
You dey okay at all? What? I know the thing is begging for me. Don't let me say for you. Hey! What's wrong with that? I am used to it here in school. I didn't say that when they ask me to get on. What's happened? I bet she took it. Well.
Hey! Yes? Who you?
Who me? Me, yeah. It's me. So, this is what you do if I step out. You sleep like a jobless person and you keep snoring anyhow.
I just close eye. I don't sleep.
You close it. So who is not snoring?
Welcome.
Where is Betty and Rose?
Huh?
Where is Betty and Rose?
Also, yes. Okay, they go chop.
What? The black nylon that I left inside here. That hair now that one customer gave us to revamp. Where is it? Wando! Where is it now? Get up. Come on, get me the weapon now. The weapon that was here.
Wait. Madam. Actually. That black nylon where they here?
Now the black nylon now that we found that customer gave to us to revamp. Where is it?
Now we've on.
It's your cloth that is inside. Where is the weapon now?
Okay. Actually, the time why they do clean up. I can't see the black nylon. I can't carry am.
I did not ask you to narrate how they gave birth to you. Just tell me where is the weapon?
I put her for dustbin. Dustbin people come carry dustbin go.
Hey! Wando! Customer bought straight. 2.5 million!
Jesus! That's the head.
Wando has killed me.
That's the head.
Wando has killed me. Wando has killed me. Wando! Where will I get the money from? Like, where will I get the money to pay for the weapon?
Again, sell me. Sell me.
Say you.
100,000. Small will they pay.
I mean, sell you. My very man. 2.5 million. Now it's, wait, 2.5 million. Wando, even they shade me and you, it's live up to 2.5 million. Wando, why don't bite you? Why don't bite me?
Bingo.
Wando, 2.5 million.
Now sell me.
Wando, 2.5 million. Wando, kill me.
Now sell me.
2.5 million. Wando, kill me. 2.5 million. Wando, kill me.
Now sell me.
Wando, kill me. 2.5 million.
Amanda, I've been waiting for your answer since.
Chidox, what is it? Why are you following me everywhere? What's your problem? Huh?
Come on, Amanda. I like you so much. I want you to be my girlfriend.
Eh? Hey. Chidox, you want me to be your girlfriend? Can you imagine? I've told you I'm not interested. Can you just let me be? I have a boyfriend. What is it?
Which boyfriend?
Which boyfriend?
That one that can't even take care of himself. Talk less of a girlfriend.
Is that what you're saying? Which boyfriend?
A beautiful girl like you.
Chidox, eh?
Come on. Amanda, look at you. You are so beautiful. That guy doesn't deserve you. I'm your man. Look at me now. I have money. With me, you lack nothing, Amanda. Come on.
I should look at you. You're telling me to look at you and you're asking me and you're stalking me around. Oh, because I should look at you, that's why you cannot remove the tag from your shoe. With the cap that you're wearing that looks like the one my father used to fight war. That's why you're stalking me around this village.
Amanda, I'm the only man that deserves you. You are so beautiful. That guy doesn't have money. He can't maintain this beauty. Come on.
Chidox, look for somebody that will be able to manage your money, enjoy your money, that cares about you. As for me, I have a boyfriend and I love my boyfriend. Can you just let me be? Because I'm not going to be part of this. Please. Go and remove the tag from your shoe, my friend, and stop stalking me around. Carry cap like cap.
Amanda. Amanda.
No problem. You don't deserve me.
Amanda, you are too beautiful for that guy. It's me you deserve. That guy doesn't have any money. doesn't have money to maintain this beauty I'm seeing in you. Come on, Amanda, come on.
Mama. You are so sweet.
Babe. Please manage this 5K. I made extra money from my PO stand.
No. It's not right now. I should be the one providing for us, and not the other way around. Stop.
You shouldn't say no. You're my boyfriend. I love you so much. I don't mind supporting you till you stand up on your feet. Please, babe. Take.
Thank you. Listen, I promise you, I'll work so hard. I will hustle. I'll till the soil to make sure I'm a better man. And then I'll make you my wife.
And I cannot wait to be your wife.
I love you.
I love you more. Here, take.
For my wife.
Yes.
You started this thing again.
Sorry. You.
What's going on here? Eh? You are still on this hair, sis?
I will soon finish mine.
You also... Angie, what are you doing here? Nothing. You are just standing now.
Shabu.
Sorry for yourself. Wando. Did you revamp the hair I asked you to do? Oh God, I don't even... Go and wash the towel. You better be fast with this hair. Who saw the attachment? I'm asking now. Nobody's saying anything. I said who saw the attachment?
Calm down. My voice is so loud.
Man, you don't understand. All these guys, they want to turn me to a mad woman. And they're the one that is going to go mad, not me. Who saw the attachment? Wando, you are the senior here. Oh. Wando! Wando, wait. Who saw the attachment?
Let me talk now. Who saw them?
I'm talking to you. You are the senior here. Who saw the attachment? Wando, who saw the attachment?
Nobody saw the attachment again. Your madam is shouting. Nobody shouts so that.
First of all, who saw? Sorry.
Who saw the attachment? You are the first person. Who?
Ah, madam, take it easy.
Who saw them? Who saw the attachment? Who saw them? Who saw them? Who saw them? Who saw them?
Wando, I asked you something. You are talking to the dummy. Who saw it? Wando, are you okay?
Madam, please take it easy on her. Take it easy.
Man, madam, you don't get me. Okay, I just asked a question and she's talking to the dummy. What is going on? Are you sure? Are you asking dummy? Ask who saw my attachment. Eh? No, talk now.
Hey! What a shift.
Shift go where?
See person stand here.
There's nobody here. Wait, Ross, are you seeing anybody?
I'm not seeing anybody, man.
See him. He carry white hair. He wear white hair. He carry feather.
There's nobody here.
Are you sure she's okay?
Okay, now you're asking me. When I was shouting just now, you're telling me to calm down. Now, see my problem. What though? Ah!
Hey! Why you see? She don't go. She stand here.
Jesus Christ, wait. How did I even let you enter my store in the first place now? How did you become my senior girl?
But
One to see. Eh? I beg you in the name of God. Don't turn me to a mad woman. I want to get up. Yeah. Oh? See, I know you are hungry. And when you finish eating, you become normal. So just go and eat. Want to go now? Madam, please, you came to do it. Just do it and go. You are distracting me while I'm talking to my guests. I don't like it. Just do it and go. You want to sleep now? Sleep on it.
No, I don't do.
Give me now, you're wasted. Madam, you hear sound? You hear music sound?
I don't hear anything.
No, they play band.
I don't hear anything. Madam, you sure say you know the case? I don't pay my money, make come up for here. I don't hear anything.
Yo. Madam. Hey! Huh? Hey! Hey! Clear!
Madam, if you can pay, come up for here. Give me my money.
Clear! What's in now? What did I do you? What did I do you? Eh?
It is time!
Which time? Eh?
It is time! Go answer your call!
Which call?
It is time! Go and answer your call!
What did they do this woman? I don't understand.
Madam, you gonna see this girl?
I don't see
It
anybody.
is time!
I don't see anybody.
This girl we wear white. I wear for waist.
I don't see anybody. About you be like say you dey craze.
It is time! Go and answer your call!
Shut up! Which time?
Madam, give me my money, make you come out. Be like say you dey craze. Give me my money, make you come out for here.
So this girl, you know, sir.
I beg, give me my money, make you
Why
come out.
carry white hair for head?
Give me my money, be like say
You wear white and white
give me
with
my money, make
red.
you come out. Give me my money.
Oh, you don't see this girl will come here. Oh. So that means you don't hear that too. This girl, you don't see
I
her.
don't hear anything, no. Madam, give me my money, make you come out for here.
Hey, I don't
Give me my money.
He say it's time, it's time. You know, yeah.
This woman dey crazy. Give me my money, make you come out for here. Give me my money.
Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Yanto! Whoa! What is she doing?
You know what's up? I can see you are the only one hearing whatever you're hearing. Can't you see? We're not hearing what you're hearing. See, as no, the place is not of her. So, you are leaving? Yes, now. How do you want me to dance to what I'm not hearing?
Mommy?
What? What is your problem now? What did that offend you? You've succeeded in driving away all my customers.
Mommy, the music, it don't stop. It don't stop. Mommy, you don't hear the music.
What do?
Mommy, I swear. You don't play again.
Do.
Don't stop again. Don't stop. Don't stop.
What's your problem now?
Don't stop.
See, man, look at my shop. That shop is a... What do you mean?
Hey!
Hey!
You go sweet. Hey!
How was your day?
My day was terrible. So terrible. Do you know I looked for work everywhere? There is no company I did not enter. Now, the only company which was supposed to offer me a job said I was overqualified for the job. I mean, how? Have you ever heard a thing like that?
I don't understand. Overqualified. How?
I begged them. I told them I was ready to go with any salary they were willing to give. They said no.
That's crazy.
Amanda, I'm tired. I'm seriously tired.
The landlord was here earlier and he was seriously demanding for his rent.
Like I was telling you, this one, isn't like the other ones now. You should know, eh? I'm not Madam Lero from out. It's because of my kind of business. This kind of business.
Hey! Madam! She don't come.
Oh, what is that? Do my hair now.
It is time. Follow me.
Time for waiting.
Who are you talking to?
Time for waiting now. Madam, this girl say it is time.
It is time.
There's nobody
Hey,
here.
no, do my hair now.
Auntie, you don't see this girl in your front.
Time to return home.
Sorry, let me.
Time to take over from your mother. The shrine awaits you. It is your destiny.
My destiny. How? How now? Eh? Leave me now, beg now.
Want to leave my shop?
But I swear to God, you not see this girl. This girl for your
I'm
front.
telling you now. There's nobody there. Are you not seeing anybody?
No.
I'm not seeing anybody.
Madam, I swear to God, this girl they talk to me. She for you, she wear white. Auntie, you don't see.
Wando.
Let me check.
Auntie, are you okay?
Wando. Me too, I swear to God, if you don't stop this nonsense now, one lie, God will judge me and you now.
You don't hear her voice.
Which voice?
It is time for you to return home.
Hey! Madam, she don't go.
Please do my hair.
Madam, make her dash you my eye. Make her dash you my eye.
I don't need it.
Oh, madam, the girl stand here. That's what the girl they say it is time. The girl say it is time.
Are you sure you are normal?
My hair is time, madam. But it's small past me. He say it is time.
Sorry, I'm coming, eh? Auntie, I'm done.
It's okay.
Wando, come.
I go to
Wando, come now.
The bad one, the girl die.
Wando, come.
The girl die.
I'm done.
I swear, madam.
Don't drive my customer now, I beg you.
Auntie,
Madam, now.
Eh?
I don't see anybody. I don't see anybody.
Auntie,
Please, madam, I'm not
I'm coming, eh? So you just transfer us the money. Eh? You know my account number now, she's just. Don't stop this thing now. I'm chasing my customer. You're being naughty.
Amanda, I have told you countless times. Leave this boy, come to me.
Excuse me.
Philip, he's not worth it. You don't need to stoop so low to his level.
What do you want to do?
Huh?
You want to hit me? Come to me. Why are you wasting all this beauty on this broke boy?
Chidox is the audacity for me. Babe, let's go, please. Let's go.
Come on, babe. Look, this all yours, okay?
Can you imagine? Will you remove this rubbish from my front? Nonsense. Babe, let's go.
Amanda.
You can eat your money for all I care.
Amanda!
Don't Amanda me, rubbish.
Wando, please leave my shop. Eh? I am tired of you, and I know you are tired of me too. Wando, leave my shop, oh. I beg you in the name of God.
I swear, don't change. I don't go do am again. When Wando don't change.
Wando,
I swear.
do you know how many things that you've lost in my shop? Do you know how many complaints that I've got from my customers? See that you burn their ear, or you use their head to tie your hand, or one thing or the other. See, I am tired, though. Just leave.
Madam, please, madam.
What is a pass away? What is a pass away, madam? I swear I don't change.
And you are still tying this your tiny waist. There's nothing there. I don't know what you are tying. I don't know what you want to expose. I don't know what you want to show to the world. Eh? With this your outside broom, you came to learn work, now you are wearing. Let's just get inside. Wando! Hey, go! Yeah, thank you.
Hey!
Wando,
Hey!
you want to go now? Thank you. Go. Hey, go. Be going. Just go. You want to go? Be going. Thank you. Be going. You don't leave my shop now. I gave you the name of God. Just go. Hey! Go, man. Wando. Jesus!
Maybe you should go to Chidox.
Eh?
Yes. I mean, he's a better man than I am. Look at me, I'm jobless. Chidox can give you anything you want.
What are you saying?
Look at me, I don't even have a job.
What are you saying? I don't get it. How?
What are you doing with a jobless man like me? Tell me, what?
Babe, look, Look, I know you may be jobless for now, but you're honest and a hardworking man.
Honest? Hardworking?
Yes.
Is that how I'm supposed to save up money to marry you? Listen, just go to Chidox. He's man enough already. I mean, he can give you whatever you want, and not me. Just go to him.
No, I will not. I can never. I will choose you 1,000,000 times over Chidox or any other man. Who is he compared to you? For what? That's Ant? Because he's driving a car? Or he has money? I cannot. Just look, take a good look at Chidox. Who is Chidox? I cannot even stoop so low to date him. Babe, look at you. You're man enough. You're intelligent. You're everything. I love you. Why would I go to you? Why would you even think about that? Why? I love you so much and I cannot do without you. You want to kill me? Babe, no. Look, so much and I cannot do without you. Please. Please, I cannot do without you.
Mama? What's happened now? Hey, Mama? Hey. No. Hey. Stand up. Hey, sorry. Why you didn't see me like this? You know if you tell me, eh? Hey. Sorry. Sorry. Mama, why you not tell me as it be like this? It is like this, you not tell me. When you say you can't die, when I wait till I go talk, you don't say only you I get. Oh, sorry. You did it.
Wando.
Mama.
Wando, the only way I can get better is if you agree to serve the shrine.
Shrine? No. Shrine? Me?
Wando.
Mama, no, this I don't follow. I don't fit to.
Oh, it's your covenant. It was entered even before you and I were born. The book one, we refer to. Wando.
Mama, look me now. I want this. I want to sound share with this size. How? I want to blow chucky fuel. I don't go fit now. Hey, Mama. Okay. Wait. Mama, so now they said that small girl come meet me for saloon. Okay, now say they play that band. Wait, no, let me they hear that music. Hey, I thought Mama dance again with I hear. Mama, when I do this one, I too do.
That little girl is Matamor. She is the custodian of the spirits. Hey.
This kind of custard for spirit, me, I don't know him. This custard spirit, I don't know him.
Hey.
So the girl go drink custard, so they come vanish, come meet me. So na custard of the spirit. Mama, I no go fit do this thing.
Hey. Wando because no. If you don't accept, I will die. Then I'm no.
Oh,
I will die.
Mama, you no go die. You no go die, but Mama, sorry.
Hey, hold on. Where are you going to?
Oh, I heard Chief Amos was looking for people to clear his farmland, so I want to go there, do the job, and get the money.
You don't have to go there.
Why?
Why don't you just focus on your job interviews? Why do you want to
Which nonsense job interviews are you talking about? Is it the one I go to and nothing comes out? Is it the one I go to and they promise to get back to me and don't get back to me at the end of the day? Eh? You want me to keep wasting my time?
No, but...
No, babe, please. Eh? Just let me be. Let me go and hustle like a man. Please.
The journey of the spirits have just begun. Why again say, when the river calls its own, it does not shout, it whispers. Ihe nna mere, ọ ga-esoro ụmụ ya. The sins of the fathers visit upon their children. Nwana, mmụọ mmiri, mmụọ ugwu, spirit of the land, spirit of the water, and spirit of the hills, bear me witness. Boy Bereginana, bow to the earth that bettered you. From this day, you are no longer flesh alone. This is a star. Here lies the authority of power to kill and to save.
Hey.
Chidoke, what is it?
Philip, why are you still being wicked? Why are you being wicked? Amanda does not deserve you. Okay? Leave this girl for me. Look at you. You don't have nothing. Leave Amanda for me. Let Amanda enjoy life with me.
Listen up, Chidoke. Amanda loves me, and that's all that matters. So stop these things you're doing. Stop it.
What kind of a love? Love when no fit buy hair for her? Eh? Look at you. You have nothing. Look at what you are putting on. All these chairs, there's nothing in here. You don't have money. You don't have money, you know. Leave this girl. Let this girl come and enjoy life with me. I have money. Come on.
Are you done? I need to be somewhere.
Anyways, look, name your price. Name your price. I'm going to pay you off. Okay?
Chidoke or Chidox, whatever you call yourself. I don't need your money. Okay? I told you, I don't need your money.
Philip, name your price. Name your price. I will pay you. Take this money and buy a recharge card. Okay? When you are ready, you can come. I will give you more money. Money is not my problem. Okay? Just stay off. Leave Amanda for me, please. I don't want to see you near that girl anymore.
Brooke, I'm proud.
Babe, what is it? Talk to me. What is it?
I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired of being poor. I'm tired of begging every time. I'm tired. I'm tired of watching you suffer every day. I mean, look at this life. Look at this. Is this the life I promised you?
But it's not your fault.
Of course it's my fault.
It's not.
It is. I wake up every day full of hopes. But then I go out and come back empty-handed. I'm a man. I'm supposed to provide for you. I'm supposed to pay the house rent. I went to Chief Amos's house to work this morning. But instead, he collected my cutlass and gave it to someone else and did not give me the job.
You have to calm down. Poverty is not a crime, but giving up is the actual crime. You have to be hopeful, please.
What if hope is not enough? What if hope is not enough?
Then we are in this together. We have to make it to be enough for us. You have to calm down. I love you. I'm here for you. I'll do anything to make you happy. I'm not going to leave you. Please. We're in this together. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm tired.
I understand how you feel. It's okay.
Wetin dey give to now? Na good morning I been a good afternoon. Huh? What be all this cow horn? Who kill am? I want. Hey. Okay. Hello? Yes. I think they call now. Kaku. Meh. What? This one they laugh. Hey. On a drink check man. Hey. Hey! Hey. Oh. Sorry. Oh. You don't walk. You don't shock. Sorry. You can fail this one now. One plus one is two. Snorkel. Another snorkel. Olala balo. Olala zip. Snorkel. Shut this one. Okay, now this sound of the year for sure. Well. Ooh. No. 1 plus 1 is 2. No. Philip, I know you are inside there. Come out and answer me. Enough.
Oga Lord. Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about this afternoon, Philip? What is good about this afternoon? See, I am here for my rent. Can I have it?
Oga Lord, I don't have it now. But I promise you, very soon I'll raise the money and I'll bring it to you. Oh,
Philip.
Sir.
I regret renting this house to you. I would have given it to that man that came before you. Now look at the excuses you keep giving to me. Philip, you are a curse. Abrogon. What kind of human being are you?
Sir, please. Just give me a little more time. I'll come up with the money. I promise you.
Each time I come, you keep giving me excuses. I am tired of coming here to shout before I get my money. I won't try it.
You won't shout again. I promise you. Just a little more time, please. Please, sir. Please.
1 month. I'm giving you 1 month. If I come back here after 1 month, Philip, and I didn't get my money, see all these your properties. I will throw them out. Philip, I will throw them out. Look how beautiful upstairs I rented to you. Upstairs that is on the ground. You don't know the value. Don't worry. I will come back after 1 month. 1 month. Ọgbasịrị mmụọ, ọgbasịrị gbaka ute, gbaka m ntị, ọnụ ụwa. Onye onyonyo. I don't come, oh. No, na come me, oh. I dey my own. When I find me word, say, make I come. I don't come. I know say you dey see, you dey hear. Now you be eyes the prince. Oh no. Snorkel knuckle. 1 + 1 is 2. Snorkel. Ala tulu knuckle. Ilolano knuckle. Ula de lado. Ula di temo. Snorkel knuckle. What you carry you go?
I greet you, great priestess Wando. I am here to seek for your help.
Masha. Yeah, what you talk? How you be the Yera? The Yeri? Now I come you. Abasiri bakute, bakamonte. Oh no. Now I call me. Do what you make you call me. Hey. They said 3 days ago. I question 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days ago for market. Your money loss.
Yes.
You call the with the accused person. When not thief your money.
Yes, exactly, yes.
Nobody the person thief the money. Abasiri one. Onya sere mo. Onya siri bem. Oh no. Abasiri say the person where you accuse nobody thief am. Abasiri they show me your house now. If you enter your passage, you get one clay pot with it like this.
Yes.
Behind one closed door.
Yes.
Back of the clay pot. And there the money dey. 1,000 naira note. 50,000.
Now waiting there.
Now you keep am for there. You lost memory, you forget. Who the accused person. Snorkel. 1 + 1 is 2. Hey! This will shock me.
Not true.
Confirm?
Not true. Let me keep on there. Thank you.
Don't go the accused person.
I know.
You think before you the accused.
Thank you.
Because that person, if you spoil your hair with slap, if you blow your hair. Snorkel.
This is my own way of saying thank you.
Next time, the day shop for you the accused person.
Thank you.
For use blow spoil your hair.
Thank you.
Abasiri one. You don't need to go far. Now news they come meet you. You don't need to go far. Abasiri bakute. Oya siri bem. So I call you. Oh, this calling now don't be got 2K. So you dey work. You dey talk. I believe you. Snorkel.
Come on, Amanda. Why are you walking under this hot sun?
Chidox, please, can you just give up already? Why are you disturbing me now?
Amanda, you are so beautiful to be walking under this hot sun.
Look, this will be the last time I'll be entertaining your advances towards me. Do you understand me? Stop it. I don't like it. You're not the first person to start toasting a woman. Ha!
Amanda, come on. Okay, fine. I promise. This is the last time I will ever disturb you.
Look, just this once, and you will leave me alone.
Come in, Amanda.
Once.
Yes.
The next time you disturb me, Chidox, you will not like me. Just this once. Okay. This one, so. This is the last time. I'm warning you. This is the last time. Don't stalk me around. I don't like it. Once.
I want to see how beautiful you are. Look at your sexy eyes.
Please, let's go, Joe. What is it?
Wonder you are so beautiful.
I'm so beautiful, and then you're so what? Please let me be. Red priestess.
This is my monthly sacrifice. I bring fowl and tubers of yam to the gods every month for protection.
Every month?
Yes, ever since I started the sacrifice, nothing bad has happened to my household.
And so shall it be.
He say,
And so shall it be.
he say,
Yes. How do we bring whatever ever happen?
he say,
Better for you. On a KD, on all a day,
he say,
on a 4 day,
he say,
on a 4 day.
he say,
Go in peace. Thank you.
thou great sister.
Hey. Abasi ni makute. See yamo. Tuba Sofia with foul. Woohoo. Ukodo. See ukodo doings. You put beletete. Put spices. In next and the big spices. So we don't boil out. That's what I wear called dry. Ah.
So this is what you're doing. Eh? This is what you're doing, Abby.
What are you talking about?
What do you mean, what am I talking about? Is it not that idiot that dropped you off now?
Philip, he just offered me a ride, that's all. Can you just calm down, please? Don't blow this out of proportion. Eh?
You know that fool has no respect for our relationship. Yet you sit inside his car comfortably. You're telling me not to blow it out of proportion.
Philip, can you just calm down? He only offered me a ride and then he promised not to disturb me again. Please. Babe, you know I love you so much. Chidox means nothing to me. I love you. Huh?
You know I don't trust that guy.
You should trust me. Trust the fact that I love you so much. Please. People are watching. Let's go inside. Eh? Calm down. Babe.
Hey. Mama, this priestess walks sweet too. Walking, talking. You see, Saturday enjoying now.
Very soft.
Eh? That day I come back just like that for you. I know. Now hunger be the catch you. You know, chop fowl. If you see once again, I go bring. Yeah, anything for you now. Not only you now, I get to chop.
Hi. This one is just what I'm doing.
Chop. No. That goes the walk. Abasi.
Hi.
That goes the walk. Abasi mo. In the sea road. Everything you say they tell me not true. Everything they tell me. Yeah. I know the work. I know sabi am. Now they call me now. I me call them.
Hi. Yeah. This one enter.
Enjoy.
Yes.
You didn't even let me know that you just came back. What's this? What's this? What happened to your hand?
It's nothing. It's just a minor scratch I got from carrying blocks at the construction sites. I'm fine.
You shouldn't be overworking yourself now.
At least I'm trying. I have to try. Here, take this money. Just manage it and get some things to make food. Hmm? Please, I know it's small, but just manage. Oh?
Babe,
Yes.
I want you to know that your hard work will pay soon. And everything will turn around for your good. Hmm?
I pray so.
I love you.
I love you too.
Oba Selemo, great deity of our time, I greet you. Ekenemi, great priestess Wandu. I cannot thank you enough for what you have done for me since the last time I stepped my foot here in this great shrine. My business has been moving since I came here. It has been flourishing. And I just said I should come and give you this token of my appreciation to the great Oba Selemo. Hey, Ezumez. Where?
Thank you. Here. Bring your hand. On Eke Market Day, it shall be well with you.
See?
On Ori Market Day, it shall be well with you.
You see?
On Afo Market Day, it shall be well with you.
You see?
On Ukwa Market Day, it shall be well with you.
You see?
Go in peace.
Thank you.
Go in
Thank you.
peace.
Thank you.
Snorkel knuckle. 1 plus 1 is 2. Snorkel. Oba si the bakunte. You don't run now. You don't run now. Snorkel knuckle.
I know the way this guy wants to follow me. I think that's not the way you
Calm down now.
You hear what that new place they do for this community?
My guy, no be small thing, no. I even said the other day, she that person go find him picking where they lost.
Eh?
That picking where they lost that time.
Let me say nothing what this priest no fit do for this community.
My guy, this one surprised me. Even the other day, so when person, you just go help that person, go find him money where they lost.
See power. I talk am say na the prayer wey we dey pray since na the gods just answer us.
The thing no even end there. If you see how people just rush there, they go, they come out day and night. That one say na him surprise me.
Wait o, this woman go fit help me. I never catch her since wey I start this my hustling. Hey, I go go there.
Hule mama hule.
Hey,
Hule mama hule. Oh.
all hail the priestess of this land.
Oh, hey, the princess of this land.
I greet you, priestess. After you, na you.
May they leave me for
For you.
After you, na you.
After me, na me. Oh.
After you, na the same you again.
For you.
Only me.
Now you.
1 plus 1 is 2.
Snorkel.
1 plus 1 is 2.
Snorkel.
Yeah, we know the matter. We know the matter.
After you, na you.
May they leave her for me.
After you, na you.
1 plus 1 is 2.
Snorkel.
Forget you. Na call they call me. Oh.
I swear.
No be me so call them. Oh. They call me and answer.
And you dey do the work well.
And like when now? 1 plus 1 is 2.
Snorkel.
Let me verse now. I'll change you to rat.
No vex. I know your anger. I know how it be.
Pattern your future.
But if let's say you know what's in their mind.
They borrow your future.
Na your future. Na your future. Nothing you wear. Na you. No dey wear this kind nonsense dey follow me again o. I don't
You
tell you
broke
this.
money for you. Broke give you.
And I call me, I don't call you now. When I call, I'm not answer me. Hule mama hule, 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 hule mama hule.
Babe.
No.
Babe, there's something I want us to talk about.
What is it?
On my way home,
Oh.
I saw people talking.
Talking about What?
They were talking about one new priestess. Her name is Wando. And then they said she has the solution to every problem. So I don't know.
So?
Maybe we should go and see her.
See her for what? Should go and beg the gods for help.
Babe, look, we've done everything possible. We've hustled, the job interviews, everything, but nothing is happening. Eh? Look, I think God wants to use this to channel our blessings. This is an opportunity. So why don't we just give it a try? Babe, no. You have to put your pride down. We need solutions to this problem.
It's all right. It's all right. I'll think about it. Not promising anything. I said I'll think about it.
You see that shrine? Yeah. What's what did happen there? You see money? Yeah. You see, for this village now, everybody, all the villagers, they hail me, priestess, knock on, after you, now you. Yeah? You see these villagers, they know they carry me play. Oh.
Serious?
Huh? Who just come, who just say, I greet you, priestess Wando. Ever since I come here, my business, they do well. I can't get money. Even they are surprised. Oh. If you see money,
Wando.
see money. Take, touch money, feel them. You don't feel it. You don't feel them now.
Ego. But Wando, you don't have to give yourself the glory. We're just a vessel that the gods chose to use.
No, I'm not vessel. Me?
Hey,
I'm not a vessel.
I didn't say you are angry or you are vessel. If you that you are just a vessel that the gods are using.
Okay, as the gods they use, as in me they use the gods. Okay, now be the vessel.
All I'm saying is, Ebunachi goes on. Don't be faster than your shadow.
And as small go they learn now. She be like, look me, call me, and I call them.
Hey, Wando. Ego.
Hey! Must go come, must. I mean, you are get the mama. If I not do for US, I won't do for. I must see your face, don't they come out there. But you shine like a bright man. You shine like a bright man. Looks like you just go show my mother for salon.
Say.
Hey! Abasiri one. Abasiri bakute. Abasiri bem. Not too much. Who no know you know no person. And you be the greatest. You position. You know they shake. As you stand like this, everywhere they focus. They focus like death. Abasiri bakute. Snorkel. 1 + 1 is 2. Snorkel. Around Tulu Noko. Obasiri. They call you Obasiri because they tell you, they don't even tell you. From inside Bele, you know it's the person talk. Obasiri. Are you the hear pass? Are you be the hearer, the doer? You don't show me sign, say you did. You don't show me sign, say you did for me. And I did for you. As you did for me, I go there for you. Transaction successful. I don't come back. Our car kilometer.
Waiting for business.
Obasiri. The children don't come. Who are down? Welcome, my children.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sit down. Sit down.
Great priestess, we have come because...
Say no more. Say no more. When I say no need to hear, you dey hear by yourself. I want to see the one. I want to see the back of month. You are a failure. Fine boy, no future. Oh no. Your skin color bright past your future. The only thing where they stand for your life are your bola. Well, no worry. Say joy is coming.
Joy is coming.
Odupe, Oluwa, yeah! Joy is coming.
Odupe, Oluwa, joy is coming.
Don't you say so? You don't believe in joy. Joy is coming.
Joy is coming.
You need cleansing. Like this now, you be past tense. I need to bring you to the future. I need to wash you. Before the about it. Maybe to get soap and sponge, you don't bath. The question is, you don't bath. You need cleansing. Joy is coming.
Joy is coming.
Odupe, Oluwa, yeah! Joy is coming.
Odupe, Oluwa,
Joy is coming. Shut up.
Joy is coming.
Say believe.
Believe.
The cleansing will start immediately.
Cleansing?
Yes, you go bath. You go bath cleansing immediately. Who your boss has? You never hear boss has bath before? Who your boss has? Obasiri one. Obasiri. When I say make a door. When I say make a cleanser. Make a buffer. So that he go see good thing for life. Every spirit of poverty. Come on. Leave your body. As they knock you now, you fall out. I bath you, come out. I cleanse you, come out. That failure. Obasiri. Satire. Cleanser. Fine boy, no money. Every spirit of I no get. Every spirit of Ogadima. Out. All the good man I go see. Every Ogadima, say out. Ogadima. All the good man kind nacho. You need to tell you so?
Yes.
I say it go better. It go better. We don't want that. It don't better. Now want. Hey, snorkel. 1 plus 1 is 2. Snorkel.
1 plus 1 is 2. Snorkel.
Obasiri. Obakute. When I see him, and I say make a cleanser. When I say make a cleanser, say nothing they work for her. From today, go they work. You go they work. Anything you do, go they work.
Yes.
You go they work.
Yes.
Oh, you need hands. Eat your poverty, I promise. As I press you, as I massage you, I massage you money. Plenty money. Plenty connection. Hey, you go drive best. You go drive best.
Benzema.
Say massage more.
Massage more.
I massage you.
Massage
you. Eh?
Massage more.
Say massage me more.
Massage me more.
You know what word?
I want to massage me more.
Snorkel.
Knuckle.
I massage. Put that for your head. You don't make her. You don't make her already.
Yes.
As I taught you so.
Yes.
At this hand they taught you like this.
Yes.
Oh shit, me. At this hand touch you. Snorkel.
Auntie, where are you going to?
Now there I do. Now there. Yes, now. Now here be the man. Oh, yeah. like this now. Snorkel, knuckle.
Snorkel.
1 + 1 is 2. Snorkel.
Snorkel.
1 + 1 is 2. Snorkel.
It's Snorkel. Benz.
You want money?
I want to.
Huh?
I want.
1 + 1 is 2.
Snorkel.
Oba Asiri. Who your bosses? Who your bosses? Ah, Oba Asiri, Batute. Who your bosses? Who your bosses? Pull up.
No, babe. No, you can't do that.
You cannot do it.
For what?
You love poverty.
What do you want to see there?
I want money now. I want money.
Choose am. Make you wear bosses. You no get money. And you no wear bosses. Money come. Choose one. Bosses or no bosses?
Please, no bosses.
Congratulations. I don't cleanse you.
Thank you.
You don't wash away the bad luck. The true follow you. I don't chop prayer. You no go see him again. Joy is coming.
Joy.
Oluwa, yeah. Joy is coming.
Oluwa,
yeah.
Joy is coming.
It has to be like this now. From now, here, and now. See as this breeze they blow. If they touch your helper, He will call you now. He will remember you now. He will call you. Say, if they play, if they show.
If they play, if they show.
If they play, if they show.
If they show.
About to them now.
Hello? Yes, it's me. Yes. Interview? Tomorrow? Okay, thank you very much, sir. I'll be there tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Interview.
Yes.
Job interview. Now, run am. Oh, yeah, Asiri Bakute. Asiri Mwa. Oh, no. Onyo komita. They no need to even invite you for discussion. You know what's there for their belly. Akwaza. Hey. See you see cars. See you see house. See you see contract. Let's see where Solo Kamkane. You get strong confidence for the anus. Say believe. Say believe. But the problem is still with you. Your wife to be and your problem. If you marry him, poverty could be like tattoo for your body. Uncleanable. He could escort you. It could be your shadow. Yeah.
Babe, I told you everything will work out. An interview already. Like, I'm so excited. Philip, what's wrong?
What does the priestess mean by the woman I intend to marry is responsible for my misfortune?
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
What do you mean, what am I trying to say? You were there, you heard her say it.
Wait, so you're suspecting me of your misfortune? Is that what you're trying to say? Philip?
Amanda, she was specific. And as soon as she was done talking, my phone rang.
Yes, your phone rang. Your phone rang. So you're seeing me as an enemy. I don't understand you. Philip, what has come over you? What What's your problem? Why would you say such a thing to me?
Can you please calm down?
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't.
It's a very delicate issue.
After all we've been through, after all I've done for you, you're accusing me because of one priestess? What is this, Philip? What's wrong with you? Why are you behaving like this to me? I don't like this.
No, I can't take this, man. I have a lot.
You have to take it.
I have a lot in my
You're suspecting me. Philip, this thing you're doing, it's not fair. It's not fair at all. After all we've been through, and this is what you have to say?
That guy fine, Sha. Philip. Ha. That guy's sweet. Oba said more, give me this guy now. I'm at the side. Eh? So priestess the love now. I get emotional now. So if I say, with that guy dinner, if I hold on strong. But what did I get they do with that guy? That guy person I need. If I hold that guy, it's totally my pain in the finger. It's sealing my life in his wall. Feeling it softly in the finger. Feeling it softly. Elise. Yes, hello? Oh, yeah, that's me. Eh? Yes. Yes, it's my name. Yeah, I submitted it. What? Oh my God. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma. Oh, yes, this Monday, I'll bring all of them, ma. I'll bring the originals. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma. God bless you. God bless you, ma. Ah! Babe, come! Come! Hey, God!
What is it?
I got the job. I got the job, babe.
You got a job!
I got the job!
Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Yeah. God, congratulations!
Thank you. After all the rejections, after everything, they called me to tell me that I got the job.
Are you serious?
Yes!
Philip, I'm super proud of you.
Thank you. Are you sure this was not a mistake?
No, how can it be?
Are you sure they're not going to call me back to tell me it was a mistake?
It's not a mistake. It's not. It's your time. God has remembered you. Babe.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for remembering me. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, God. Thank you. Babe. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you so much for standing by me, even when I could not stand. Thank you so much for believing in me, even when I lost hopes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you. Hule, mama, hule! Hule, mama, hule, oh. plus 1 is 2, snorkel. Alatulu knuckle. Hey. Zialazi. Nana come you. Welcome, my children.
Thank you very much, great priestess. We came bearing gifts as a sign of appreciation. I got a job, and as a matter of fact, I'm resuming on Monday. Yes.
Well. Ooh. 1 plus 1 is 2, snorkel. Alatulu knuckle. Ironato knuckle. Ula demando. Ula lutemo. Snorkel loco. You see? That one unless. The way they come next. Eh? It be like my size. Your next favor, it be like my size. When they go fall on you, then go feel it. Then go roll it down, and you go hold it. You go.
You say favor. What kind of favor, man?
You know, talk. Calm down. You don't go. Now come here. Let me call you now. Snorkel. Say good news.
Good news.
Say good news.
Good news.
Say then go feel it.
Then go feel it.
Then go run it down.
Then go run it down.
And now go hold it.
Now go hold it.
You go.
You go.
They say big contract they come. Big contract like my size. Your enemies go holla. See me, see wahala, hey. Wahala, hey. Tell your enemy say wahala day.
Wahala day.
Tell your enemy say wahala day.
Wahala day.
Because this contract now where they come, you go pepper them. Say pepper them.
Pepper them.
Pepper them, oh.
Pepper them, oh.
And the next time where they come, big contract. Baby say I see falling. Everywhere go shake. Say that's why it go shake. When next you bring your fried egg joint?
You want fried egg? Let me go and get it now.
No. Now figo.
Thank you. God bless you.
Bounce along. Bounce along.
Bounce along.
Bounce along. Bounce along. Bounce along.
Bounce along. Bounce along.
Say. Go land. 1 plus 1 is 2, snorkel.
1 plus 1 is 2, snorkel.
Alatulu knuckle.
Alatulu knuckle.
1 plus 1 is 2, snorkel. Now come here, Tommy call now. That guy fine, sure. I get feelings for that guy. Give him sign.
Philip, what are you thinking about? You're not eating.
I'm just thinking about what the priestess told us about the contract. I can't wait for it to come to pass soon.
Same here. But there's something off about that priestess.
What?
The way she looks at you.
Amanda.
Why are you calling my name?
She's just doing her job now. You're looking at the wrong thing.
Then I'm just being very observant. I'm not comfortable the way she looks at
observing
you.
the wrong things. Focus on the main events. Talking about contracts. What the contract piece now?
Wandu, okay, ma, what is it? Why are you smiling like a child that just tasted honey? He has been driving invisible car, okay? You don't get son-in-law. Is it? I did love. I don't catch man. You say love. Now, if you see this boy, you go like him. If I die, it's fine. I tell you. Mama, if you see him, you see here, fresh. You see a complete man. Why you look me? I don't know if you're okay. I don't know if you're okay. I don't okay. Mama, I never see love. Yeah. I never see love. Oh. I dey wait for you since. Why you not come?
Sorry, I've been busy. But I came because I wanted to find out more information about the contract you spoke about the last time.
Snorkel. 1 + 1 is 2. Snorkel. 1 + 1 is 2. Snorkel. Alatulu noko. Your contract, na confirm.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
But listen.
But what? Which one?
If you avoid the signs, you go fear when you see the wonders. You must marry me.
I went to see the priestess today.
You went alone?
I needed to speak to her. Well, she made me an offer. She promised to give me everything I want in life. Whatever it is. Money, affluence, connections. On the condition that I marry her.
What? I don't get it. What's the meaning of this nonsense, Philip? Oh, I told you that priestess, she's suspicious. There's something suspicious about her.
Amanda, calm down. Think about this. We really need this contract.
Then you shouldn't be saying this. You shouldn't. What is it? After all we've been through, Philip.
Amanda, if we have this contract, it's going to be a life-changing experience for us. Our lives will change for good. I mean, look at us. All we have to do is play along.
We do not have to play along, Philip. Never. Not with that. Philip, don't get me upset. Not with that priestess. For what? What is it?
Amanda, I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of this life. If you're not tired of poverty, I am tired. I'm tired of eating from hand to mouth, Amanda. If it warrants me to do this, yes, I'll do it.
Philip, why are you? No, this cannot happen. Never, Philip. What's me not? Let Philip come here. You cannot marry that priestess. For what?
Philip, my Philip. My Philo. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
Now we the runner. They play, they show. Joy is coming.
Joy is coming.
See, this good fortune where you don't see. And not say compared to what you want to see now. Money na water.
Money na water.
Money na water.
Money na water.
Joy is coming. Joy don't come already. Hey. Now soap with this. This soap will be ordinary soap. You and person no go share. Use and bath for night. Tell the soap what you want. Tell them the kind of luck where you want to see. You understand? This soap will open doors for you. This powder. My powder name. Midnight. Rubber. As you rub your face, rub your ear. Anywhere where your face they show. Now favor. Favor. For your ear, from today, as you use this powder for ear, only good things your ear go to hear. Only congratulations, only better things.
Thank you.
Money na water.
Money na water.
My Philip. My Philo.
My Philo. Thank you so much.
Snoko.
Okay, can I go now?
Yeah, right, if you go. About the one. We feel. Go. Okay. No.
Next time.
Okay.
Thank you.
My Philo. Philo. Money na water.
Money na water.
Snoko. Philo. Big man go fit you. Hey. Snoko.
Babe, what is it?
I want to show you something.
Why are you running? What is it?
Babe, come. I need to show you something now.
I don't get it. Wait. Where are we going to? Why are you acting all strange?
Can you stop asking me questions and just follow me?
Okay, hold on. I need to keep this inside. I have something on fire. Let me just
Babe,
keep
you don't need to keep anything. Just follow me.
It's
Follow
risky
me.
keeping this thing here now. How about?
Why are you behaving like this? Stop arguing with me. Just leave these things and let's go to where I'm.
Oh, you know what? Let me see. I need to keep this thing. It's not safe here. Let me carry it inside now.
Hold on.
Wait.
Babe, hold on now. Leave it there. Come.
That's what we want to eat, oh.
We're not going to eat this. Let's just go see what I want to show you. Can we just go there, please?
You know what? I'll go inside so I can change and dress properly. Why you wait?
Listen to me. Listen. You don't need to change. Just do as I've said. Follow me.
Philip, you're acting all strange.
Just come.
What are we doing here?
This is our new home.
What? How? No. What did you just say?
It's our new home.
Philip.
Our new house.
Philip! Philip, what?
Stop.
Philip!
What is your problem? Stop this.
Wait!
Wow, calm down.
What?
Our.
One plus one is two. Snoko. Alantulu nogo. Itolano nogo. Ula debado. Ula lutemo. Snoko loko. Oba siri one. Oba siri batute. Oh, oya siri ibim. Na dem dey save people since. I know that you big well. Use your eye, you dey see well. Use your mouth, you dey talk well. Anything you talk, that's say they be. Well. Wanna help me do something? Now you look me. You know say this thing, I don't know how they be. Now come look me, come call me. All my life they come, I no get mad. I know no man. I don't even get spiritual husband, spiritual boyfriend. Woo! I go, I come. No man even they say who or how are you? I don't say no, I hold am. Now when I come take destiny, bring the man come for me. When I take poverty, bring the man come here. We meet by poverty. I don't do for now. He don't run. Who goes who now? Who wanna go do this kid? You see that guy wake up now. I dey miss some die. I beg show me where he did. Oh yeah, say. Oba say. Yeah, na. Bakamunt. Whisper. We can look up. Huh? Hey. They don't use me. Philip na user. Hey. Snorkel. Why is it? Spoil that car. Lose the Boris.
Get down. Relax. I have a lot more to show you. Alright? Let's go inside.
Okay.
Come.
Yeah, that car. This one for me.
Let's go
This house. What? House is big. Mom is big. Oh my God. Shweta.
I want to make that decision.
Yeah.
You see what I just did though? Just up.
Who's there?
Security.
What's this boy?
I don't know.
Please come inside.
Come in.
1 + 1 is 2. Snorkel. Alatulu Snorkel.
Wando.
Ulala bale. Ulalu shelo. Snorkel. What?
Wait.
1 + 1 is 2. Ilolano loco. Ulala bale. Ulalu telo. Oh. Snorkel.
Wando, what are you doing here?
What am I doing here? So you dey hide from who get eye pass you. We want to see beyond. You want hide that from me? I'll pass the one. I'll pass the back 2 day. Wait. If you like, hide. We dey see you. I see you when I come here. You wear blue scarf. You wear pink cloth. You wear flower cloth. Flower. You come and say, honey, you are no friends. I view you from Oyokomita. Oba say they want to show me. You ask me how to come here. You ask spirit how they move. Snorkel. Alatulu noko.
Why?
Very cold. Even shrine never cold like this. Snorkel noko.
Philip, this is not funny. This is not funny. This woman cannot stay in this house with us.
Can you please calm down and let me think? I want to think. Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. There's nothing there to calm down. She just bashed into somebody's compound, walked into my compound, and then she declares that this is her husband's compound. What's the meaning of that nonsense? Who does that? See, you have to do something. Or you have to do something else. This will be war. You have to do something. Push her out of this house.
Why are you sounding like you're not aware of the situation? For God's sake, this is a woman who made me who I am today. What do you want me to do? Please, I do not want to be in her black book. I beg you.
And so? Even if she made you who you are today, why would she come here? For what? Is she the first person to give people wealth? I don't understand. See, she does not belong here. She belongs to the gods, not here, not in this house. Let her leave. You have to do something. You're the man of this house. Push her out. Tell her to go out. Else there'll be war. Philip, you will not like me. I cannot stay in this house with that woman. Haba, I'm too classy for that. She'll not come and be saying sloko. For what now? Do something about it or else, hey, you will not like me.
Babe, calm down. Calm down. I'll take care of this. Calm down. Just calm down. Let me think. God.
Well, you better start thinking.
Oh. What have I gotten myself into? Huh? What kind of problem is this now? I have tasted money. Real money. I don't ever want to go back to suffering again. Never. I'm never going back to Egypt. God. What do I do about Wando? Do I rent an apartment? Or maybe I'll make her an offer.
Offer kill you there. See that offer you dey talk so? Now wetin go kill you there? So no like this now. You want to offer me wetin? Should I offer you? Offer me house? You want help your helper? See we be say son beat you come my shrine that day. I wash your core sleep body. Oh, you take my glory dey shine.
No.
You want help your helper?
No.
You want raise your razor?
Wando, please, I beg you. I beg you in the name of God.
What are you there for?
I beg you.
I don't want anything.
I just want peace.
The only offer wey be say I need now love. Now offer wey be say I will say I'm.
What? If you know that's your
What are you doing? What's going on?
I'm trying to.
I mean, like,
You stand up. What?
I'm just trying to talk to her.
Talk to her. Stand up. Let her do her worst.
I want to talk.
Owado, or whatever you call yourself, do your worst. What is this?
Listen, Amanda. This man, now my husband.
For what?
Philip, now my husband.
Can never be.
Oh, on top of my money.
Yes. Do
On
your
top of my
worst.
money.
Owado, snuck up. Do your worst. What's
No, you don't fresh up.
Don't tell me shut up. What's the meaning of that?
I will strike you. I will strike you
Do your
now.
worst.
I'll give you small
You
people.
cannot do anything. Are you the first person to give us wealth?
Eh?
You're crossing your boundaries. What? No. Don't tell me that. Let's go. Why would she tell you to kneel down? For what?
Knuckle.
Let's go. What's the meaning of that nonsense? Why would you be kneeling down for her?
Eh. Amanda, you see you? I will just dash you small pimples. You know they dry. You know they burst. I will dash you. That face not too fresh. Yes, the face go too wrinkle. I will strike you. Eh. Philip, because I say I love you. Because I say I love you. Okay. Knuckle. 1 + 1 is 2. Snorkel.
Wando, what is it now? What are you doing here? How did you get into this place?
No sleeping tonight. I don't come my husband room.
Wando, please, I beg you. This is my room. I deserve some privacy. This is my room, for God's sake. You're not supposed to be here. I gave you a room. Why don't you just stay in your room and let us have peace?
When you no get money, okay, now public see you get. Okay, you don't get money now, you dey find privacy. This whole money, now me give you. This wealth, now my wealth. So this room, now our room. You my husband, yes.
Which hour? For what? What's bringing that one? Eh?
Owando, as you can see, we were sleeping before you came in. Just leave this place. Whatever you want to say, wait till tomorrow. What can you find husband for what?
Wando, you're making noise. I have neighbors. Yes. You're making noise with this thing. It's not a shrine now. Please, go back to your room for God's sake. Please.
1+1 is 2, snoko. Ala tulu noko. Ilolano noko.
Noko.
Ula
the balo. But please. Wando, you should be in your room. I'll give you a room now.
Sleep now. None of us will sleep for here today. How? Or you come down. Yes! 1+1 is 2, snoko. Ala tulu noko. Ula the balo. Ula lutelo.
1+1 is 2, snoko.
Be.
Yes, we know. Just go to the room. Tomorrow we can talk about whatever I want to talk about.
Never. You want to teach my man? Never. Never.
Can you imagine?
You take my glory to shine. You don't use my glory to shine. Come sleep now. No sleeping tonight. Yes. You come down. I want to cuddle you. The gods are honey. Yes. The gods are honey. We need head. Give us head.
Babe.
Oh, babe. Okay, you want to see what TV say? Wahala day. You're my kitchen. I will strike you now. Snoko noko. Ala tulu noko. Ula lutelo.
Honey. Hey.
Hungry.
No, now, what's this? What are you doing? I'm talking to you that food that I prepared. Are you eating? Can you imagine? What now? Can you just stop this? I don't. Give me. Babe, she's pushing me. What's this nonsense now? Can you imagine if Shame was a person? Can you imagine she's eating my food? The food I prepared for both of us to eat. Excuse me. What's all this? What kind of nonsense is this? I know I stressed myself to prepare that meal and this when she frustrating us, what is it? I'm tired. What's this? I'm tired. I feel... Can you just imagine? I feel horrible.
I'm sorry about that.
Sit with her. Straight that way. Don't worry. From
Let's
see you all sideways. Sit with her.
From the pick up.
Sit before you talk. All right. Pick up. Action.
I did not plan for this at all. What is it? Stress is too much.
It's all right, babe. But we expected this. Of course we did. We subscribed for this. And this is what we're getting. Listen, like I said before, it's good we play along. All right? Let's just play along. I'm sure one way or the other she will get tired of all of this.
This is getting too much. I cannot. Philip, this is getting to me. I feel miserable. I feel frustrated. And it's getting to me. We have to do something about this. We have to do something. I'm tired. I'm tired.
My love, there's nothing we can do about this. There is nothing we can do about this. You know the story, like I do. There's nothing we can do. All we can do right now is to play along. Okay? Like I said, I'm sure some way or the other she will get tired of all of this and hopefully she will decide to leave. I'm sorry. I'm also so frustrated. But what can I do? I mean, that's our source. That's our source of light. Yeah, she made all this happen. Now, listen, it's all right. Can I cheer you up? Maybe you go out for ice cream? Forget about the rice. I also want to have rice, your rice, but she has had it already. Huh?
All right, fine. Ice cream and pizza.
You're so cheap.
Haba, Phillips,
Come on, I'm just
why you being
kidding. I'm
naughty?
just joking.
Okay, I'll just tidy up my face, wear my jewelries, and then get ready so we go out now.
All right. Get ready. Don't waste too much time.
I will not.
Looks so beautiful.
Thank you.
Nami. You see when you to reach 60 now, may turn around for you. Say, it looks so beautiful. You never tell me and say, are they very beautiful? Me now be saying, make you get this beauty now. You never tell me.
Is this what you don't do in this house? Eh? You disappear up and down just to scare us?
I don't know.
What's the meaning of this now?
Not
Why
my-
do you scare us like this?
Not my house. That be me bring this wealth. Who else?
Owando, as you can see, we're stepping out. So let us be. Please, we want to go and have fun.
Okay. You don't go have fun. Bad luck. You don't go have fun. All the years where you deal with her, what you get? Woo! Poverty, they escort her. Go have fun. Go have fun.
They did not tie our placenta together. So let us be. Day your day, make we day our day. Now beg and I beg you. Sweetheart, let's go. Let's go.
1 + 1 is 2. Snuggle.
What are you doing here? Wanda, what is it now?
Go lick ice cream.
Can you just let us breathe, please?
Then we go lick ice cream.
Wait.
Let's go.
What's this?
What is it?
What's this now?
Wando, I really don't like this. Seriously, I don't like it.
What you don't like it?
I don't like this thing you're
What you don't like it?
That's not fair now. Eh? Why do you keep disrupting everything for us now? Why do you keep messing everything up for us like this?
Me?
It's not fair.
Me? I don't see everything. Me, obstructing. I don't start. Oh, when I want like ice cream. Okay. Oh, you know ice cream now. Why you dey mold there, bar? You dey so Gary for village. You know ice cream? Yes, now. You see this thing? I just start. Now Riaza will do so. Now Riaza.
Wando, can you stop this thing you do all the time? Can you please, in the name of God, stop this thing you do all the time? Can you stop?
Stop how? Say make I stop with it. Say when I go lick ice cream, I don't start. Woo! Snorkel.
Wando, this is not nice. This is not nice. How do you bash into people's lives like this and turn everything upside down? This is not fair now, for God's sake. Besides, why do you keep wearing this thing you wear all the time? Eh? What was this rubbish robe? Look at you. You don't wear slippers. You just carry this thing on your head and follow somebody up and down. This is the city, for God's sake. This is not the village.
No, for that ungrateful, ungrateful.
You don't even take your baths. Eh? What's your problem? See the way you embarrassed us there. What is it, Wando?
When you come and try a bat? Not me. You're okay now. Okay. Philip now be say he bat come. I know. I mean myself too. I rebat him. Oh, when you come my shrine, I feel weak. I wear jeans. Not me this year I wear bless you. Not me this year I give you contract. Not me this year bear food. I take give you connection. Okay, in the plate here now. Then the bank up one side now. You don't forget me. Oh, ungrateful. When I told go lick ice cream, then later you scream. All of us go lick ice cream for this house, and all of us go scream. We go scream together. Ungrateful. Oh, you take my glory to shine. Okay. Yes, yeah. Now me there is grammar for.
I would have gone through the whole fire thoroughly. But this deal is too sweet to waste time.
Very well.
Okay, where do I sign?
Yeah, just so.
Yeah.
Don't sign it. Don't sign now.
Wonder what's wrong with you? Why are you here? Must you embarrass me all the time? Eh? I thought you were upstairs. Why are you here?
Mr. Kola. Bobo Shorogo from Ekiti. Your mother is from Edo State. Your family, when I get 14 deaf and done, 2 cripple. This deal when I want to sign a 350 million naira deal.
Don't mind what she's saying. Just sign.
Now fake. You ready, come? If you sign, everything will crumble. As a matter of fact, in the OOP. So no point because they already block a money point. This shoe that your friend's shoe, they call her location. Your friend location. And I get the shoe. Okay, you still want to go for that? Your phone go ring now. Check who they call you. You save her with victim too.
Take the call.
My 419 leader. Check her.
419.
Check her.
You know what? At this junction,
I'm victim. They save her.
I need to call everything. No worry. The deal is off. Huh? The deal is off. The deal is off.
You know, see how they read. They'll drag for a come here. They'll take camera.
Are you telling me that man is fake? Because that document or those documents actually looked so real.
You say you sell him everything for this house will go down. He want to do spiritual money. Oba said one.
So he wanted to dupe me. 350.
Upon all your intelligence, upon the school where you go, you know if you know everything. But you see, Oba said more. Now know one of everything. We refer it to one side.
Excuse me.
We know these things, so forget to. Our clothes come out. Enjoyment good though. Snorkel. 1 + 1 is 2. Snorkel. Alatulu noko. Hey, joy is coming.
Nwandu, return to the shrine.
Nwandu, go to the shrine. Mimi, go with shrine. I had to go. Woo! I had to go anywhere. You hear me so? I did my husband's house. Where are they go?
The people are dying.
Make them die.
Some are sick.
Make them sick. Well.
They need that priestess.
Their priestess need man. Their priestess, time don't reach to marry. I need husband. If not die, let them die. If not sick, make them sick. All I want now husband.
You must return to the shrine.
Now you go return.
Within the next 7 days.
Let me tell you now. So make so now, man go shrine. You know what they call love? That kind of fine boy, man, leave her. Your in-law, make her leave her. Eh? Which one? And the first one, you follow. Small kid talk love. What do you know? There you go. I had a fear. You like vanish. You like the shrine. Let the shrine. Forgive spiritual slap now. How this guy small guy go God forgive and say, make God follow me to talk. What you know about love? Oh, love. This guy find my make a live on me. Woo! I die. If I am
Yes?
Philip! Philip!
What is it now?
Look at this thing. Can you imagine? The food that I prepared this morning, I planned I would eat this food for 2 days. I can't find it anymore. I don't know who ate it. The person cleaned the pots. I think that you don't understand what? You don't understand what? Don't you understand? There's a big rat in this house. There's one big fat rat in this house that's eating my food.
Big fat rat in my house?
Yes!
How do we have a big fat rat in this house?
Why would she enter my kitchen? She just entered my kitchen and cleaned the whole food in the pot. What nonsense? Talk to her. You better talk to her not to ever enter my kitchen again.
Babe, just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down.
Sort this out like adults.
What are we sorting out? The only thing she knows how to do in this house is to steal somebody's man and fix snoko and eat somebody's food. That's the only thing she knows how to do. She should leave my man alone. In fact, she should leave this house. I don't want her to be in this house. What is it? I'm running mad. I'm losing it. Philip. I can't sleep. Every time snoko. Why? What rubbish is why? Why under my foot? Let her leave this house. Else there'll be war in this house. Food that I cook. Do you know how much I spent to cook this food? The stress and everything. And then she just clean the whole pot, ate everything. What nonsense! You better talk to her. If not, this house will not contain us. It will not. What nonsense! Food that I cooked with my money. She don't come and eat the food. Let her not come to my kitchen. She should not try to come to my kitchen. What's this? Which kind of nonsense is that one? Get the man.
Wind up. Thank you so much for actually sitting down with me. have a proper conversation. The truth is, I cannot even repay you for all the things you did for me. Words alone cannot express how indebted I am to you. Wanda, you did a lot for me, and I appreciate you for that. You opened doors that were shut right before my face. You brought happiness into my life. You empowered me. I don't know how you did that, but it's your gift. And I appreciate you for the gifts you have and decided to share with me. The truth is, I'm sorry, all right? I'm sorry for making you believe we would have something together. I was desperate. I was broke. I was poor. I had no choice. I was desperate. Like they say, never trust a poor man's loyalty. Yes, it's true. I'm truly sorry for taking advantage of you. But want to think about it. You see, Amanda is someone that has been with me all my life. Practically all my life. She has been there for me. She has supported me. She has provided for me. She was there when I had no money to pay my house rent. She was there when I had no money to feed. She provided for me. When I was at the verge of giving up, she gave me hope. Wanda, think about this. As a matter of fact, she was the one who brought me to your shrine. Yes, she suggested you. How do you expect me to break her heart? How do you expect me to live with the fact that the woman who loved me when I was down, I left when I was up? No. Wanda, I don't have that kind of conscience. I can't betray her. She stood by me. You're a good person, Wanda. And I believe there's someone out there who will love you just the way you are. You have a good heart. Huh? You're a blessing to the world. Not just our village. Wanda, you're a blessing. Eh? You're too much. You have all it takes. Please, understand me. Eh? At least for the sake of my conscience. Just tell me, Wanda. Whatever it is you want me to do for you, say it. I am willing to do it. Please. I do not want to break her heart like that.
You see, huh? Use my glory to shine. Take my glory. See this car? Let me get her. That one, let me get her. See my glory. Eh? Even this. Out!
I warned you. I gave you 7 days. 7 days to return to the shrine. You chose love over covenant. When a river forgets its source, it dries up. You did not choose happiness. You chose disobedience.
Why you slap me? Old small woman. Very nice. Sorry, mommy. Mommy.
That is a warning. See for yourself what your disobedience has cost your mother. You must go back to the shrine, or your mother will die. That is the covenant.
Mommy! Normally, where this guy go slap me? Don't look my size. Well, inside. Oh, Mama. Oh. Spiritual slap. Inside. Oh, Mama. Oh.
I feel Amanda. I know say when I never seen for this mood before. Sorry. Oba said more. The gods of our land. Na bless it, they bless. You know the scatter. Forgive me because na love do me. But na before. Not anymore. That's why as I come. A human being I be. A normal human being I be. I do on my own, then call me. As I come, they say na me must come here. I no plan am. So even priestess, they love. So as they come call me, I go answer them. Now I come begin serve am. So my love blood is still the work. My emotions still dey inside. But how I go do? Because we stand for purity, I no wan scatter on our house. Make I dey go.
It's okay. It's okay, Wando. We've forgiven you. And want to use this opportunity to say thank you for everything that you've done for myself and my man, Phillips. Thank you so much. And I still want to say I'm sorry. We're sorry with what you've told us, your experience and everything. I feel so emotional. I feel down. I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. Please forgive me. And I just hope that in the nearest future, we're going to be friends. Thank you.
Wando, thank you. Thank you for everything you've done for me. For the blessings, for the liftings, for virtually everything. I owe you my life. All right? I promise you I will do everything humanly possible to make this work, this calling easy for you. Okay? I've thought about it, and I'm going to get you a car. I'm going to build you a house. And in that house, I'm going to install a standard swimming pool. I heard you like water a lot.
The reason you people.
Yes. You don't have a problem. You're part of this success. Trust me.
Okay. Make I come dey go.
It's all right. Let me go and drop.
No. Don't worry. I get transport.
You got transport, sir. Someone needs to get you to the park, you know.
No, I did work already.
Huh? Man, this woman is too powerful. Huh?
She's like... You wanted to drop her over. She said
she's already at
the park.
At the park. My God. Thank God she finally decided to leave.
Yeah.
I still don't trust Wando. Are you sure
She might just come back.
No, I'm sure she's changed now.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
She might be somewhere.
No.
Bubadi kana bogunanya. Bubadi kana bogunanya. Asimuka para kwabisi kejekwe omabunezi oi. Ogwa sezo ka heri ude na totu ongiga. Wando ka anyị na-eche, wando ka anyị na-eche. Nwanne gị na-echere ka anya wee baa gị nwandụ maka na ịbụ mmiri doro edo n'ezie bịa keniza m okwu n'ezie mmọnwụ ori ijele mmọnwụ bịa kene nwandụ bịa kene n'isi kara aka na-ebu ọzọ arụ kara aka na-ebu ọzọ na nnukwu olu m oyi maka na izi aka wuo gido nwakpuo ya olu maka na udene kara aka na-anwapụ ozu afọ ogirigiri ka na-agba ukwu ụsa narị dị enu nwandụ ịga nkwụ bịa kene ụzọ ama okwu na anụkwa na-enye ike nkwụ ọgwa nwa mụrụ mmadụ mmụọ na-asọ n'ụsọ na nnukwu olu m ori nwandụ bịa kene n'anyị na-eche ga-eche nwandụ bịa kene ori ijele mmọnwụ bịa kene ijele bịa kene ụzọ ama okwu n'ezie ọkwa ọkpụkpụ isi na-akpọ ga-akpọ bịa kene ori ogologo ọgwụ daru ala nwaanyị arịa ya elu na nụkwari oke osisi ka mụ na-akpọnụ nwandụ bịa kene m nso na mmụọ na-eche ga-eche mmụọ na mmadụ na ha na-eche ga-eche nwandụ bịa kene ori ịmana mbọsa amụrụ gị na ebelebe na ogburu nwandụ na nnukwu enyi ka nkwụ na-asị gị bịawa n'otu gị anyị na-eche ga-eche ori pụta kenenu na anyị na-eche ga-eche nwandụ ka mụ na-akpọ gị ọkwa nne gị lechara gị anya baa gị nwandụ mana na mmụọ ife anyị na-akpọ gị bụ ijele n'ịbụ nnukwu mmanwụ nwandụ bịa keneri o ọnọri nne nwandụ na nnukwu olu m ka m kọkọrọ gị akụkọ nwandụ mbọsa amụrụ gị na amụrụ gị n'iro gbara ịnọ anyị wee zukọ nri o mmụọ na mmadụ were zukọ nwandụ wee kpụọ ọfọ ịma na mbọsa amụrụ gị na amụrụ gị na ụzọ gbara anọ ka amụrụ gị mmụọ na mmadụ na ihe zuru ezu wee kụọ ọfọ si na ịbụ onye otu anyị na ịbụ mmadụ na mmụọ ebụ na ịbụ mmụọ mana iyiri mmadụ n'ezie nwandụ na nnukwu olu m ori oyi amụrụ gị ka ị bụrụ ofu onye n'ime anyị o amụrụ gị ka ị ga-mewe lọvụ n'ezie nwandị na nnukwu olu m ya bụ na ịbụ mmụọ ịbụ ijele n'ezie ọgwa anyị kpọrọ gị mmiri na-asa mmụọ na-asa anyị si na ịbụ ijele na mmụọ ị ga-ahapụ n'isi aka wee gbawa ure nka m na-ajụ gị ajụ ijele mmụọ enyi ka nkwụ ka a na-akpọ gị akpọ nwa mụrụ mbọsị nwa na-akụ ụkọ na obodo anyị oyi
bow before you, ageless beauty and mother. Here is her authority of power you can give to her.
Thanks, Isiopo, for your selfless service.
It's my honor.
Today, you have become more of immortal than mortal, despite your emotions and feelings. You were born for this. No two ways about it. No marriage, no man, no emotions is accepted to rule you. You have fully become like us. You shall know what we know. Save, kill, if necessary. But nevertheless, you are born to save. Wandu, daughter of the earth, disobey the law of gravity.
born for this. I was created for this. I am immortal in human form. Ikukwadi Bodo. No matter how heavy the wind is, it can never release the mortal. Call me Mando.